Back. You're still tuned into the first rates right here on ET Now. I'm Ashish Bhandari, with me is Harsaita, and let's now put the spotlight on Thermax. That one reported its numbers. The stock is declining in trade. It was a subdued quarter. And to discuss this, we now have Mr. Ashish Bhandari, MD and CEO at Thermax Group, now joining us. Mr. Bhandari, morning. And first up, let's talk about what led to weakness in the quarter gone by. Industrial infra segment's revenue declined by 24%. Margins were also hit on account of project cost overruns. What led to this, and were there any project-specific problems that you faced in the second quarter?
Hi, a very good morning to you and to all your viewers. Yes, there was a very specific project-related negative impact that we had. We have called that out in our press release as well regarding the quarter at about 42 crores. For this particular quarter. The numbers overall are better than what the first impression might be. You will see that our domestic order book is up more than 25% year on year, year to date, with particular strength in the areas which are more profitable. Industrial products is up double digits, high teens in order book growth. And all of that will start to reflect in our improved revenue numbers for the rest of the year and for the future. Yeah, we are clocking 2,500 crores in revenue. This will jump in the rest of the year to 3,000 crores and plus. That will result in better profitability as well. In industrial infra, in particular, we also had impact from increased rains this year, which affected projects all across. Wasn't really delay on our part, but many of our project sites, which were managed by customers and other places, saw a lot of delays because of the extended monsoons this year. Starting October, as the monsoons have subsided, all activity across seems to have come to a new high. Yeah, so I'm really bullish about Q3 and Q4.
Right. Give us a sense. Hi, this is Harsha. Give us a sense. Give us a sense of whether the little bit of a miss due to weather-related factors, can you play catch-up in Q3 and Q4? Really, that's what we'll be looking for, especially on the industrial side of things, industrial infra side of things.
Absolutely. Yeah, if you take a look, even on our inventory numbers last quarter show a substantial jump, and that is entirely because we are getting ready to liquidate a lot of revenue in the second half of the year. So fairly confident, don't see any red flag.
And
so confident about
audio issue here. So Mr. Bhandari, we'll just pause you there for a minute, allow our teams to rectify that. But in the meantime, just quick, a quick recap of what Mr. Bhandari was alluding to, that industrial infra will see a bit of a bounce back in H2, and just how much of that can he cover up? Mr. Bhandari, back with you. If you can just complete that piece, how much from an FY26 perspective, how much of a miss will this be? The fact that there was a prolonged monsoon.
I would say not too much. Yeah, there will be a bit of a miss, but not too much. All production sites, all project sites, everything's a go now.
Right.
What I was saying was also we have built up fair amount of inventory. You will see that in our working capital numbers as well. All of it getting ready to liquidate in the second half and beyond. And I'll also call out a much stronger orders outlook for the rest of the year as well. I expect to finish more than 20% year-on-year growth on the order book. The revenue growth will be less just because the backlog takes time to deliver. But after a couple of quarters of weakness, overall we are starting to see strength across multiple segments, and especially in segments that we consider as profitable and relevant to the Thermax that we are looking to build.
So that's the view coming in on what the outlook is going forward, and order inflow continues to remain very strong. Mr. Bhandari, thank you so much for taking your time out and taking us through what the numbers look like and what the outlook is going forward. But shifting focus then, reviews